Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix age, gender and color issues in Shopify for Google Merchant Center. So, age, gender and color attributes are required by Google Merchant Center for product approval, especially for apparels and accessories. So, if these attributes are missing, your products might face disapproval. And here's how to fix this issue in Shopify. Step 1 is understanding the attribute requirements. So, age group specifies the targeted age group like adults, kids, or toddlers. Gender specifies the intended gender like male, female, or unisex, and specifies the color of your product like red, blue, green, yellow, black, or white. Now, these attributes are mandatory for products in categories like clothing, shoes, and accessories. So, you can check your Shopify product details first. Go to Shopify admin, log in using your user credentials, click on the products option, and select the product that you need to fix. For example purposes, I'm going to select this product. Now, navigate to product organization or category meta fields. So you can see right here, there is a category meta fields option. Now you can navigate to the product organization section or your custom field or meta fields. Then you can add missing attributes in Shopify. You can enable meta fields for age, gender, and color. For that, you'll have to go to settings at the bottom left of the screen. Now navigate to custom data. After navigating to custom metadata, you can create a custom meta field for age group, gender, and color. So you can see here, we have this add definition button. Click here and it is going to take you to this add meta object definition page. Here, you can add any of the structures like age group. You can also add a description for this if you want. Now click on add field and you can choose, for example, single line text. Now this will be adult. You can add a description if you want. And if it is a required field, you can select this. If not, just leave it. Now you can choose all these according to your preference and click on add. Now this will be added. You can click on add field again, choose single line text and add another age group like kids. Click on add. So adults and kids, we added these two. Now we'll click on save option at the top right. And this has been added. Now we can go back and we'll click on add definition. Now we'll add gender. We'll add fields, male. We'll add another one, female, and click on add. Click on save option at the top left, then go back. So we just added age group and gender. You can also add color if not already available. Now after doing this, you can go to your product and input the required data under the newly created meta fields like age group, gender, and color. So step 4 is using a product feed application. You can install a Shopify app like Google Shopping Feed by SimProcess, Feed for Google Shopping, or Shopify's built-in Google channel. You can ensure that the app syncs your meta fields with Google Merchant Center. Then you can map the meta fields to Google's required attributes like age group to age, gender to gender, and color to color. Now, step 5 is bulk editing attributes. So you can use the bulk editor in Shopify for faster updates. Go to products, navigate to all products, then select the product, click edit, and you'll be on this page. You can add column for age group, gender, and color and update the values in this section. Now you can see the category has been created. Now step 6 is validating in Google Merchant Center. So you can go to Google Merchant Center, navigate to products, navigate to diagnostics. Now you can check for errors or warnings related to age, gender, and color and resync your feed if needed. So, by adding the required attributes through your meta fields and syncing them with Google Merchant Center, you ensure compliance and prevent product disapprovals. You can stay proactive by validating your feed regularly. So that's a simple way you can do this. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.